Hi, everyone. Today I want to talk about another aspect of the Bob Lazar story, namely the name Area 51, which is also the name for the Groom Lake facility in the Nevada desert, the secret military base where they test weapons and things. Although it's not really a secret anymore because basically everyone in the world knows about Area 51, but it's got a lot of classified projects going on inside. It's very restricted. Now, Bob Lazar mentions Area 51, and that's part of the story that he tells about S4, which is meant to be like an adjacent facility. But he mentioned Area 51 back in the day, and I just wanted to show you that in fact the name Area 51 had been mentioned as far back as 1979 in the popular press. Groom Lake had been mentioned even earlier, but Area 51 by that name had been mentioned at least as far back as 1979. If you know of any older mentions, then please tell me, but this is the earliest one that I could find. Now, these are just two examples carrying this story about a pilot who unfortunately died. So this one's from the Roanoke Times from Virginia, August 25th, 1979. This one is from the same date, but from the Times News, Twin Falls, Idaho. So two separate newspapers carrying basically the same story. And there are many other examples in other newspapers mentioning Area 51 as well. Let me just click on this one. So there is the article. There's the page. And let me just show you the top of the page. So you can see there, August 25th, 1979. Now, here is the article talking about Melvin Hugh Brown. He was a U.S. Navy pilot who crashed in the Nevada desert. Here is the mention of Area 51. So it says here, the crash is believed to have occurred near the northeast corner of the Nevada test site, known as Area 51. This is the same area used by the Department of Defense years ago to test the U-2, the high-altitude spy plane. The Nellis Range complex also contains the National Nuclear Testing Ground, known as the Nevada Test Site. So there's an example of an article from 1979 mentioning Area 51. Let me go to the other one. So let me go to the page. Go to the top of the page here. So again, Saturday, August 25th, 1979, Times News, Twin Falls, Idaho. Test plane crashes in Nevada. An area located near the northeast corner of the Nevada test site, known as Area 51, was used by the military and the Department of Defense to test the United States U-2 spy plane some years ago. So very similar wording, but multiple newspaper clippings can be found from this website. This is newspapers.com, by the way, which is an archive website. So it lets you search for terms in newspapers from many decades ago. You can also find, more examples from the 1980s. Again, if you know of any earlier one, let me know. But this is the earliest one that I could find. And anyway, that's all I wanted to show you. And thanks for listening.